Alright, so how do we create a freeze with Equifax? It's real simple. You're going to go to this page right here, which I will put up in the notes, so you can put the link in here, and it's very, very simple. This is Equifax's main page. You hit get started with a freeze, which I already did. It's going to take you to this page. Alright, it's going to ask you some personal information. Obviously, for a video here on YouTube or Facebook, I'm not going to put my personal information in there. Once you hit that, I'm not a robot, continue, it's going to pull your stuff and it's going to ask you some questions about your credit report. Like, hey, last year you opened a car loan. Who is the car loan with? They're going to give you 5 choices. One of those choices is none of the above. Make sure, if it's none of the above, you click none of the above. That's one way the bureaus test you to make sure you are you. All right, once they verified it's you, it's a button very simple that says create a freeze. Most important, absolutely most important part of this entire video. Once you create the freeze, the bureau is going to give you a PDF that has a PIN number on it. You need to save that PDF, write that PIN number down, do something. That PIN number is crucial for you to be able to unfreeze. If you don't have the PIN number, when you try to unfreeze it, you have got to jump through 1,000 hoops, because the purpose of a freeze is to detect fraud, and the one way they're verifying it is you is with that PIN number. So it's very simple, less than 60 seconds, big protection.